Today we're going to be building this swing tractor flat maxi hammock. Make sure you check out the description below, which has a list of all the tools, materials, alternative elements which could be used to swap out for this piece, as well as any other elements which could connect to it in some way. You can use the ties that you've got as a reference point for where you're going to dig these holes. Make sure that you line them up on the ground, mark them out, and then you can start digging. You can see here we've attached a small bit of metal, and this will be used as an anchoring point. So when you're putting cement in there, that piece will just hold onto the cement much stronger, giving you a really secure connection. So I've just used some ropes just to tie off around this one tie that we're using for the swing here. This is just to gauge how much we're going to need. One of the things you've got to be aware of when you're building this piece is the diameter of the tire that you're using in relation to how close it's going to be to the vertical poles. So these ones, you don't want it so close that you can potentially have kids getting squashed in there. When you're marking out these straps that are going to be holding the swing together, I have started out about 4 to 5 centimeters from the edge of the tread. Once you've cut one of the side walls off, you might need to do a bit of cleanup just to make it look a bit prettier. So then we're going to just flip this guy over, and then we can attach the straps for the swing to the underside here. Just before we attach these tie strips, I'm going to clean these off to make sure they're nice and smooth. There can be a little bit of metal sticking out of there, so just to be safe. Then, once they're all nice and shiny and safe, we're going to wrap this around, going all the way like that, and we can bolt from the top, going through the metal and through the base again, and then bolt those together. Marked out all of these holes, and we're bolting these ones through from the tread first, then up into the tyre. We've got big wide washers on there as always. Now we're just attaching these. If you've got some larger kids using this one, or you've got a really huge tyre that you're using, like one of those big tractor tyres, it can be worth putting in 4 bolts here. So this one's really great for the littler kids, talking kindergarten sort of age. It hasn't got a lot of swing to it, but it's just enough to have a bit of fun in there. So follow the instructions on the Playground Ideas website so we can follow them as we go, checking out the heights, widths that you're going to need for this one. So this design, as well as all of our designs, are made to be used in conjunction with the free safety handbook, which is available from the website. It's just down there.
Hey, what did you think of the video? Please let us know down below in the comments. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of what Patrick's doing in India. You can go and visit playgroundideas.org, which has 150 designs and all the resources that you need to build an awesome playground. And lastly, we've got a ton more videos to watch, so check them out here.